I recommend if you have any loose objects outdoors, maybe some patio furniture that you brought out over the last week, take them indoors tonight because those winds will really be gusting very strongly tomorrow. Now, right now out on the weather deck, it's very comfortable. We're in the low 60s. These were our high temperatures today. Many places reached 60 degrees or higher. And on the western side of the state, they got into the upper 60s, very close to 70 degrees. That's going to be similar to what we'll see tomorrow, even warmer than what we experienced today. But this picture on live triple Doppler radar is going to be drastically different. Right now, mainly dry. It looks like a few sprinkles moving on in the western side of the state. But here across central New York, we're still dealing with some blue sky. Well to our southwest, that's where all of this energy will be coming from, pushing on in all of this moisture. There's a lot of severe weather going on. These are tornado watches for parts of the south. Does not look like we are going to see any of this move on in up until late tonight, once we get past midnight. So these are the major impacts that you want to keep in mind really over the next 24 hours. The rain develops, as I mentioned, after midnight. It will be heavy at times tomorrow, and we also will see some damaging winds. At least they will be possible at times. We're talking about trees coming down, power lines, and so power outages certainly can't be ruled out. And you want to keep in mind that some storms that do develop could be on the strong to severe side tomorrow afternoon. That's why the Storm Prediction Center does have us in a marginal risk for seeing some stronger storms. This includes Syracuse, the southern tier, and much of the southern half of the state bordering the Pennsylvania line there. We are on the lower end of the scale, but still going to be an opportunity for some strong storms. So on Futurecast, you'll see how tonight temperatures rise overnight. We'll start to see that rain work in, I would say, between 2 and 6 a.m., becoming heavy at times. And then as we progress throughout the day, some scattered showers in the afternoon ahead of a cold front. That's when we're going to start to see some thunderstorms become a little bit more likely as those temperatures really begin to rise on into the upper 60s, getting close to 70 degrees. Tomorrow night, as soon as that cold front slides to our east, that's when we'll start to dry out as we get closer to dinner time. We will see some much colder air begin to work on in. So you can see even late tomorrow night, we're already into the 40s, and then 30s look like they're going to arrive by early Tuesday morning. So we have a very active start to the week. 69 is our high tomorrow. Again, showers and thunderstorms likely, but throughout the rest of the week, we're back on into the 40s with only a few minor disturbances moving through. And make sure you download our free Weather Authority